Let's see how we can bootstrap our Angular application. Okay, so this is the screenshot you are seeing. So we can see how many files are responsible to run our Angular application. Okay, so first file which is responsible, that is the main.ts. This is the first file which will bootstrap. This file is called app module. Okay, so this is the second file, and this second file will bootstrap this component we have already seen, right? And this file app root, the name of this component is app root. This is already mentioned inside the index.html. So this is the fourth number file. So what we have learned, we have the main.ts. Okay, this will bootstrap app.module.ts. This will bootstrap app.component.ts, right? And this definition will go inside the index.html, and this index.html you are seeing in your application. So this is the flow of any Angular application. You run any Angular application, this will start from main.ts to index.html. So we see how main.ts is working there. Okay, so let's go to the code, and there is the main.ts, right? I can delete everything first of all. Okay, we have seen how we can write the component. We have already seen how we can register component in our module, right? And we already seen how we can bootstrap there, right? Now we need to see how main.ts file will bootstrap this app module.ts. तो definitely सबसे पहले मुझे क्या चाहिए, I need this app module. So I will write app module, and this is the app module I have. This is automatically imported. This app module I have already there. Okay, and now we need to think first of all, are we uh, are we want to compile this application on browser platform or server side? So definitely we are working on the client side, so we want to compile this application on the browser platform, right? So I need another utility function. By helping this function, I can bootstrap this app module. So what is the function name? So the function name is platform browser dynamic. Okay, this will help for the browser platform to compile my Angular application. Okay, this is not a decorator, this is a simple function which will give the object, and I can use the bootstrap module. Okay, and this is again function, and I can give, this is the app module I need to bootstrap, right? So see, everything is perfectly working, right? So this is the simple, right? This is, there is no issues with this. So in this main.ts, this is my first file. I can bootstrap using platform browser dynamic functions. I can bootstrap my app.module.ts, and using app.module.ts I can bootstrap my first component. This is my third file, and this app.component.ts selector already available inside the index.html file. So any Angular application use these flow, right? So this is about the main.ts and the how Angular flow is working.